Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put your Wix website under construction, create coming soon page. So let's get started. So here we are in Wix.com and we're currently in our editors page. So from here, the first thing that we'll need to do is click here on pages and menu. And from here, click here on add page button. And from here, click here on landing page so that you would be able to see all of the landing pages right here. So we have a lot of coming soon page right here. For example, this one and this one, we are coming soon, maintenance, and so on right here. You can just choose your own style. But in my case, I'll just go for this basic one. So I'm gonna click on add page. And now let's wait for it to get added into our site. And there it is. And now we get to rename our page. So let's just go for maintenance or construction, just for an example, and click on done. And now we have this page right here. The next thing that we're gonna do is that we can customize the text right here. So for example, you don't want it to be "we are coming soon." Instead, you would want it to be maybe under construction, maybe something like that. And then yeah, you can also edit this if you'd want to, but in my case, I'll just leave it be. And after you've done editing this right here, the next thing is you want to go back into pages and menu, and then from here you want to click on the three dots right here so that you would have these options. And the next thing is you want to go into settings, and from here you want to go click on layout and click on no header and footer. And then after that, you want to go click here again on the three dots, and then from here you want to go for hide from menu. And then the next thing is you want to click here again, and then from here set as homepage. And there you have it. And then the next thing is basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna preview this and see if everything is good. Click on preview. And now we'll be previewing our site. And then as you can see, it is now like this. It is all now under construction. You can see anything right here except for this one on your website. So this is basically how you set your website under construction or create a coming soon page. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.